Hi, I'm Giovanny Arroba. I'm Senior Design Director at Nissan, and this is Behind the Design with the 2025 Nissan Murano. The design philosophy of the all-new 2025 Nissan Murano is energetic elegance. Our goal was to create a vehicle that is equal parts form and function, with a sleek premium look inside and out. We have very thin projector headlamps. Despite the sleek silhouette of the nose, you have that high presence of the lamp band, and that really guides your eye into the body side, where you have this very strong horizontal character line anchored down to the rear wheel form. The Murano is a wide car, almost 2 meters wide, 3 inches wider than the outgoing car. We really wanted to showcase that with these powerful muscular rear fenders. Undulating, feeling like it's ready to leap. That arcing roofline that encapsulates the side glass all the way from the A-pillar to the rear. This is elegance. We moved the license plate down low into the lower bumper, really cleaning up this beautiful profile of the rear. And the wiper blade has been concealed up in the rear diffuser. So all this noise has been eliminated, allowing just for this beautiful horizontal blade of light on the rear end. Inside, Murano delivers the Japanese principle of omotenashi, or elevated hospitality. Everything around you is soft, wrapped, and stitched. We wanted to make you feel pampered in this sophisticated interior environment. We have the horizontal dual displays, and we didn't just want to drop them in place. We wanted to cover them with wrapped and stitched material so they feel harmoniously integrated. And all these things together have that balance of beauty and functionality. The all-new 2025 Nissan Murano is an oasis for your commute, your family, and your road trips. And I hope you will agree it is a beautiful evolution of the Murano family.